Hello and welcome back to yet another edition of Fortune Thursday. With you is Oluwa Korewa. In case this is the first time you're coming across this channel, welcome to my YouTube channel. Your shares blog when it comes to all online and if this is the first time you're seeing this channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And if you've been coming to this channel, you like what we do here, you want to support us, the best support you can do for us right now is to like this video, share it, and follow the channel. If you're watching from YouTube, subscribe. On Facebook, follow this channel. As if we don't have enough likes, if you observe the last video I posted was taken down simply because I don't have enough engagement, no enough likes, no enough share. If you see anything in the videos I post, please comment it in the comment section. We can work on it together. That being said, let's go straight to this beautiful working plan on Monday special for Fortune Thursday. Let's go, guys. The first time this is setting on Monday special board is here at event number on Monday special board, event number 382. Single 6 will play in fourth ball winning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks down. 17 will play in first ball winning. On Fortune Thursday's board at event 943, single 6 play in position, fourth ball winning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is down. 17 should play in position again, first ball winning. After 17 maintain position, 1, 2, 3 weeks, 32 should play first ball winning. Play with single 3 in last ball machine. When this game maintain position, 1, 2, 3 weeks down, 32 will maintain position. Play with single 3 in position. He played alongside 46 in winning. This also played alongside 46 in winning. Observe it, 3 numbers in position. 3 numbers in position, 32, 46, single 3. On this one as well, 3 numbers in position, 32, 46, single 3. Now after these 3 numbers in position, from single 3, it's telling us to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 weeks down. 88 will play first ball machine. From single 3 in position, 10 weeks down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 weeks down. Double 8 would maintain position. That is first ball machine. It will play with 25. This used fourth ball, while this used last ball. The one on Monday special used last ball. Now after 88 at play, 17 in position is going to turn to machine. After 88 has maintained position with 25, 17 in position will turn to play machine. Now after this game play in machine, not in position, let's count from 88 in position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks down. 12 again will maintain position, fourth ball winning. Now taking it from 88 in position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks down. 12 will maintain position, fourth ball winning. After 12 maintain position, 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks down. 84 would also play last ball winning. After 12 in position, 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks down. 84 will play again to last ball winning. When 84 play to last ball winning, to maintain position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 weeks from 84 in position. Single 3 in machine, where he played 3 numbers to position. single 3 here would pull out here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 weeks down. And on the current from 84 in position, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 weeks down, single 3 should pull out. Now after single 3, please, 1 2 3 weeks down again, 32 in position to counter to position, last ball winning. From this one as well, 1 2 3 weeks, 32 will counter from position down to position. When he played this game, this played it with 56 to machine. This also played it with 56 to machine. Now, after playing this with 56 to machine, what is it telling us again here? 1 2 3 4 weeks down, 86 will play in machine. 4 weeks down, 1 2 3 4 weeks down, expect 86 in machine. After 86 are successfully played to machine, 17 here should turn to machine, right? After 86 has played to machine, 17 that turned to 71, 71 should move out straight to winning. Right here as well, after 86 has turned to machine, 71 in machine or 17 in winning should pull out to winning straight. 88 in machine will move back to machine. After 68, 88 in position will move back to position. To move back to machine, play with 71. Now, after these numbers have played, this event 418, we're going to event 419. What is it telling us? 88 that move from machine to machine, 1 free banker. 86 that played before 71 moved out, should play with it. 17 in position should supply us with, should jump rather. So this is the best 3 on the event to watch out for here. And my take home 2 direct is displaying on the screen right now, and that will be 88 to play with 17, 88 to play with 86, leaving this as my event to watch out for. I wish us good luck until I see you on the WhatsApp side. I'm going to show you 2 direct on my WhatsApp. In case you've not been chatting with me on WhatsApp, you should have the number here now. Please chat with me on my WhatsApp. Let's continue. Just 2 direct for the WhatsApp today. Thank you. I wish us good luck today. If you find value in this content, if you like this content, the only help you can do for me now so that my video doesn't go down again, because I'm just coming back from a 1-week suspension doing nothing, just simply because I don't have enough likes. So if this is the type of forecast that interests you, show interest, is like this video, share it and subscribe, please.